Hello guys, welcome back to Coding for All. I hope that you have really enjoyed the journey up till now and you have seen that we have started a new playlist, and it is about, you can say, front-end development or web designing, in which we will be looking over color theory, typography, UI UX designs. And so here comes our first lecture for it, and it's about color theory. So what is color theory? Color theory means using the correct color palette for your website. And I just want to tell you one more thing, that each color has its own idea behind itself. So we will be looking over to it. So these are few colors that I think that we use commonly. If you come to red, it includes excitement, strength, energy, love. Like even if you have viewed you can say advertisement of a sports car, they'll be using red color mostly for showing the speed, to show the passion, to strength. And that thing behind this color, if you go for orange color, it will depict confidence, bravery, success, social ability. Means you are social friendly or you are people friendly. In case of yellow, I don't know why, but it's very much eye catching. But I would suggest you one thing, that you do not use yellow in abundance, because otherwise it will hurt your eye. Any color like white or yellow in too much amount will, I think, hurt your eye. If you come to green, you might have seen that green color is mainly used to show the nature, healing, freshness, quality. Any online shopping, organic shops or organic food usually uses the color green. And if you come to color blue, it shows trust, peace, loyalty, and competence. And I don't remember the name of the survey, but it was seen, the interviewees and interviewers were there for this survey, and the candidates were asked to wear green and blue. So half of the candidates were of green color suit and other half were wearing blue color suit. And believe it or not, but it is true, as proved by the survey, the candidates wearing blue color shirt got much more attention and much more positive response. So in future, if you are going for an interview, I would suggest you to have blue color, or just have a think over it. So pink color, I'm sorry I wasn't able to find a pink color appropriate for this, but it shows compassion, sincerity, sweet, sophistication. And if you come to color purple, it's royal, feminine, luxury, ambition. So now coming to the black color, it shows formality, sophistication, dramatic security. And you might have shown, if you want to show some class, I mean for Porsche or something like that, you usually use black color, or you want to show that you are very highly classified or very sophisticated man, you go for black suit or black car. So that is the reason behind black color. If you come to white, it shows clean, simplicity, innocence, honest. Now if you want, we can even have some practical overview for this, but this is what I want you to remember. You can even take a screenshot or just save it for your own self, so that you may use what is appropriate for your own site. So do not use the color just because you like it or you think that it's better. No. It's a big no. Go for the reason behind this, that what do you want your site to be perceived as? What do you want the viewers to get just from the colors? Because it will convey the message. Either you believe it or not. Just go over the websites and just have your own observation that you are going to perceive something from the color. And that is what color means, and it has really strong and important effect over the viewers. So before designing any website, or before deciding the color for your website or anything like that, just go over these moods so that you may become very clear about it. Now I will show you some sources through which you can get help. So I hope that you are going to like, share and subscribe this video. The reason is that we are moving over to front end development of website design. Now let's move towards much more helpful resources that will help you like a professional full stack web developer, where you can show off your skills that you need to use this color or this color, and you know the reason behind. You now know the reason behind. So that's really great. Now we should move over to the other resources. Okay, so the first is Adobe Color. Either you can use analogous. What does this mean? That you see that when these color are side by side, so you can create very nice symphony and very nice harmony between different sections, but this won't create a distinction. This will merge, this will make site very continuous, very analogous, very, you can say, harmonized, but it won't create any sort of distinction between. Create much more synchronized, but it won't create distinction. I'm repeating, it won't create any sort of distinction. Or you can say monochromatic. So you can see that these all are somewhat similar, but you can use different or complementary colors that are of opposite ends. And what will this do? This will create the distinction. If you want something to stand out from the background, or you want the background to stand out, and you can say a logo or heading or anything like that, you can simply use this. As you have seen that how our site was looking previously, we had pink background and white color, so you can say that it was much more distinctive. Even you can view our site in the previous videos, so it may become clear, or you can view your own site, and you can even implement these colors over there. And if you want to implement this, I'm sorry, so here it is. You can simply just copy paste this and can paste on the atom as we are using for the background color, so you can view all this. But there are different ways. One is try that in triangular form you can use different complementary colors that they think are better for you, or you can do in form of square. So 4 different complementary colors that will create distinction. And I hope that it won't get you bogged down, but in order to create much more easiness, or you can say the shortest way, just wait for it, and that will surely lead you to like the videos and subscribe to the channel. Here we are, Color Hunt. This is, I can say, one of the best resources that you can use for it, for this purpose. And if you go to popular section and come on, load, it's taking too long. So anyways, I hope that it gets low. Oh, here it is. So these are some popular color palettes, and it is by the designers what they think and they perceive to be the best color palettes, with synchronization as well as with complementary colors. So you can simply get on to any of the themes that you feel like it's appropriate for your site. Just copy these codes or this, whatever you want, paste it there, and there you are. So this is all for, you can say, color theory, and I hope that you like and you understood this, and you will go over this as many times as you want, so that you become a master of color theory, and you can use the same concepts to design other websites, to design your own website, and to become a better full stack web developer. And next time we will be talking over typography, so stay tuned and see you next week. Thank you, good luck, bye.